How to step through Python code to help debug issues? In Java/C# you can easily step through code to trace what might be going wrong, and IDEs make this process very user-friendly. Can you trace through Python code in a similar fashion?
Yes. There's a Python debugger called PDB just for doing that. You can launch a Python program through PDB by using pdb-myscript.py or Python mpdb-myscript.py. There are a few commands you can then issue, which are documented on the PDB page. Some useful ones to remember are: B. Set a breakpoint. C. Continue debugging until you hit a breakpoint. S. Step through the code. N. To go to next line of code. L. List source code for the current file. Default 11 lines including the line being executed. U. Navigate up a stack frame. D. Navigate down a stack frame. P. To print the value of an expression in the current context. If you don't want to use a command line debugger, some IDEs like PyDef, WingIDE or PyCharm have a GUI debugger. Wing and PyCharm are commercial products, but Wing has a free personal edition, and PyCharm has a free community edition.
By using Python Interactive Debugger PDB. First step is to make the Python interpreter to enter into the debugging mode. A. From the command line. Most straightforward way, running from command line of Python interpreter. B. Within the interpreter. While developing early versions of modules and to experiment more iteratively. C. From within your program. For a big project and long-running module, can start the debugging from inside the program using import pdb and set_trace like this. Step-by-step debugging to go into more internal. Execute the next statement. With N, next. Repeating the last debugging command. With Enter. Quitting it all. With Q, quit. Printing the value of variables. With P, print. A, PA. Turning off the PDB prompt. With C, continue. Seeing where you are. With L, list. Stepping into subroutines. With S, step into. Continuing. But just to the end of the current subroutine. With R, return. Assign a new value. A. B equals B. Set a breakpoint. A. Break line number. B. Break function name. C. Break file name line number. Temporary breakpoint. A. Break line number. Conditional breakpoint. A. Break line number, condition. Note, all these commands should be execute from PDB. For in-depth knowledge, refer this URL. This URL.
There is a module called PDB in Python. At the top of your Python script you do. And you will enter into debugging mode. You can use to step
and to follow next line similar to what you would do with GDB debugger.
Starting in Python 3.7, you can use the breakpoint built-in function to enter the debugger. By default, breakpoint will import PDB and call pdb.set_trace. However, you can control debugging behavior via sys.breakpoint hook and use of the environment variable Python breakpoint. See PEP 553 for more information.